Hello everyone, this is Elentrian. In this video, we are going to see how to enable AR Passthrough using Meta SDK in Unity. Let's create an empty 3D project. Go to Package Manager now and see Meta XR Core SDK in My Assets. If you don't see it, go to Asset Store and add it into your account. Then you will be able to see it here and click on Don't Send, but you can choose either option. And restart the Unity editor. It's restarted now. And now go to build settings, switch platform to Android because we are targeting to Quest devices. So let's switch the platform. Yeah, it is switched to Android now. Mm, I'm creating a new scene and naming it as pass through. Again, go to the build settings and add the open scenes to the build. Yeah. Uh, Now let's set up the XR plugins. Go to edit and project settings and XR plugin management and click on the install XR plugin management. It's being installed now. Once it is installed, make sure that you are in Android, and we are going to use the Oculus inbuilt SDK. So let's choose the Oculus. It will take a second to load. Yeah, once it is done, and go to Oculus and select the targeted devices. I'm using Quest Pro, so I'm selecting Quest Pro. And so there are few errors that needs to be fixed. So go to Oculus here and fix all and click on apply all. So that will take care of a lot of things. And make sure that the status is Oculus ready for Android. Yeah, let's close this now. And I'm deleting the default camera and installing the OVR uh, camera rig. Search for OVR camera rig. Here you go. Yeah. I'm dragging to the hierarchy. And now go to the inspector and select the target device here again. And in the Quest feature in general, you see pass-through support. Make sure that it is required or supported so that it will enable the pass-through. And in the inside pass-through, enable pass-through should be clicked. You can also enable the AR pass-through by using the code after opening the application. And now let's add the component OER pass-through layer so that we will be able to see the AR pass-through, and click the placement of underlay. And if you want to change the colors, you can change, and opacity can be. Let's go to OER camera rig and open the center eye anchor and clear flag solid color and change the color to black or 00, and also should be 0. So basically 0000. Yeah. So uh, now let's go to Windows, rendering and lighting settings, and go to environment and remove the skybox. Otherwise, here pass through won't work. And yeah, Let's close the window now, and let's create a cube so that we will be able to see the cube in the pass through. And let's move a bit in front of the camera. Yeah, it looks fine. Uh, yeah, let's create a build. Creating a build and run. I'm using a Quest Pro and it's connected with my device, so I'm just running the build. Yep. Through. Click on save. Yeah, it's building. Yeah, let's look at my Quest Pro. Yeah, I'm able to see my room plus the cube that stays in front of my camera.